what I find very compelling about the situation is, we've mentioned, Apple loving it. So APP is a symbol on NASDAQ. Again, they're trading at 20x revenues. I think they're doing 5 billion. They're trading at 120 billion valuation, I believe. If I'm not, it's like 5 billion. What's the difference between what you're doing and what AppLovin is doing? Why isn't Siyata trading at 20x or based on this? Like, what's the difference between the two companies? Would you say for the the layman investor to understand?
Yeah, I know. I think it's a great question. I think we really operate in a very similar space. So like I mentioned, we're both companies are in the gaming industry. AppLovin has a similar business model to ours. They're both a developer. They market, they help app developers monetize, and they publish apps, both their own and others. And really their publishing platform at the cross of a mobile ads company. So we do very similar things. In terms of where they're at, they're a bigger company. They do, I think they generate about $5 billion in revenue. We're a smaller company in that respect, but we're growing very rapidly. Our 23 financials were $57 million in top line revenue, and our 2024 unaudited financials were about 80 million. So we're definitely on the right trajectory, and as we continue,
very similar growth rate as App. I think their numbers are very similar. I think it's like whatever 35%, whatever the numbers are.